Well, my friends, today is July 5th and we're in Smiths Falls and we're about to take off going to Poonamalie. We're going to go to Perth, but we're going to make a pit stop. So time to go. Ciao Smiths Falls, it was a lot of fun. Thank you very much. Loved it. We'll be back. I'm waking up the 454s. Oh, beautiful sound. No, it's fine there. It's a lot of fun to go somewhere, just stay there for a day or two, and then explore around, and then it's exciting to move again and go see the next spot. Right now we don't know what to wait, so it's gonna be fun. Yeah, so here we go. Ready to go, honey butters? Yeah. Okay. Let's do this. Okay. Oh, there's a loon over there. Oh, it's gone underwater. I'd go underwater too if I saw a big 34-foot sea ray coming my way. Look at this beautiful little channel just ahead of us. Wow, it's very narrow. I hope you guys are enjoying this as much as we are. It's beautiful. So this is retirement. An interesting fact that my wife was talking about earlier is that Poonamalie Lock is exactly to the kilometer halfway from Ottawa to Kingston, the length of the Rideau Canal. And we have over 3/4 of gas in the tanks. Oh yeah. Well, everyone, we're at Poonamalie Lock and it's so warm outside. We just closed all the hatches, the door and everything. We're in air conditioning and we're gonna have the paninis. Oh, the paninis are ready. Oh, look at this. What a beautiful day.
Yeah.
Just love it.
Soon we'll have a little shade here too. That's good.
Yeah, with the tree.
Yeah. Thanks so much for making this.
You're welcome, hon.
Beautiful.
Love you.
Thanks. I love you too.
Good paninis. Yummy. Oh yes. So my wife is leaving the boat. I think it's on Monday. Today is what, Friday, I think. And gosh, that's bad. And so leaving to Ottawa, take the bus or the train, and just take our son out to Sandbanks and whatnot, and going to come back after that a week later, and then just join me back again, and we're going to be driving the boat back down to Ottawa. So during the meantime, I'm probably going to be locked, not locked there, but anchored down in the Upper Rideau Canal near Portland, where I purchased the boat actually. So it's a nice big area, lots of islands. The water is crystal clear. So I'll be doing some fishing, swimming. I'll be doing a lot of anchoring down and exploring with the dinghy. So looking forward to that. And look at that from the inside. We are well protected against all those harsh elements. So we're about 8 days into the vacation on the Rideau Canal, and what am I thinking about? How am I feeling about all this? It feels great. Oh goodness gosh. Well, we're leaving the funny loch named Poonamalie and headed for Perth this morning. It's supposed to rain apparently around 4 or 5 o'clock or something, 2 o'clock maybe. So we should be able to make it there and stay there overnight. That's what happens in Perth. We're going right now to Perth, and just want to thank some subscribers who are giving us some amazing tips, so we feel more equipped, more informed to go there. We know what to look for, and another subscriber also informed us a lot about Colonel Bay Island, so we're really looking forward to go see that. I mean, just the way they describe it on their comment, it just sounds like just amazing, so we want to experience that. Thank you guys, girls. Saturday morning, 10:07 a.m. and we're just entering Lower Rideau Lake right now. Just to give an idea of what that looks like and where we're headed, I'm gonna make the pop-up of a map. That. Yeah, okay. We just arrived at the first lock in Perth, and we're gonna stay down here because there's shore power. I'm gonna use the dinghy to go up the 2 locks. And it's gonna rain today, starting in an hour from now. So we decided just to go explore tomorrow. It's gonna be nice and sunny all day tomorrow, so that's gonna be great. But now I'm speaking fast because I'm hungry, and it's time for paninis. So the plan is when we go on the dinghy to Perth, we are going to go to the store for the provisions.
Yep, go ahead.
Yeah, well, good morning, everyone. It's time to go to Perth on this Sunday morning, July 7th, and we're going to go explore and using the dinghy. There we go. Yes. Yeah, we're ready to go. Ready?
Yep.
Well, we're going up the lock in the dinghy. It's the first time I do that. They told us to stay at the back of the lock because there's going to be a lot of current. Here it comes. Yeah, it's shaking a bit. Well, going to the second lock, swing towards Perth, our first time there, like I said before. Can't wait to see how it turns out. Well, my friends, after a beautiful outing to Perth, the sun is setting now, and time to put the dinghy back up. So yeah, let's do that now. And that's about all there is to it. Now all I have left to do is just to tie it up properly, the front and the back. I may want to leave a little bit of gap between the dinghy and the back of the boat, just to be able to walk. Well, there goes my wife in the taxi. She's going to Ottawa. Bye-bye, ciao. Yeah, so my wife is gone for a week. I'm just gonna take off and go anchor down in the bay somewhere. So yeah, wow, that's different. On my own there for a week. Wow, it feels nostalgic a little bit. On the other end, I'm gonna go fishing and do all kind of stuff like that. Let's see what happens. All right, ciao. All right, so it's Monday evening, July 8th. My wife left. It's 7:30 at night, and time to plan for my next assault. So yeah, this is Perth. I'm here at the lock. So tomorrow morning I'm gonna take off. So the Lower Rideau Lake. I'm gonna travel over here, maybe stop here for a hamburger. A viewer said that they have really good hamburgers here near the Rideau Ferry, so I'm gonna probably stop there at the public lock, see what that's all about. I'm gonna travel over here and end up in the Big Rideau Lake. That's where the men go, right? And another viewer recommended the Colonel Bay Island. So look at this, I love it. I'm gonna find a bay to anchor down tomorrow night. So, and this here is actually where I bought the boat 3 years ago. So I might go back here in Portland and see what's going on. So yeah, lots of good fishing around here. Apparently pikes and bass. And then if I wanted to go further, the other end here, well, there's one little lock I can go in, and there's a nice little town of Westport to go visit. So I might do that. I got a week before my wife comes back, like I mentioned, and then so let's make the best of it, and then I'll post that on the next video, the adventure of Frank alone.